Germany-based EWS Group is one of the leading manufacturers of tooling systems and turrets. At AMB 2024, we are having a great news to bring to you. Gurgaon-based Sharp-Edge is becoming a partner for them for North Indian market. Let's find out more about that.
EWS is a typical German company established in the year 1960 in Uhringen. In the meantime, we have subsidiaries, production companies in the United States and in South Korea. And we have sales and service offices in China as well as in Turkey. And we are planning to do something like that in India as well.
We are very happy to associate with EWS Group for northern part of India to represent statics and live tool holders for Turnmill center machines.
Static and driven tools for CNC lathes and Turnmill center. And especially one product is very famous in the meantime, especially in Europe and in the United States. That is the Varia system, EWS Varia VX. And this system allows you to set up a machine in a very short time. That means we reduce the setting time significantly because of the quick change system. For next year, we have the plan to come to the Intech show to Bangalore. And we are very happy to have a booth over there to welcome you and to show our products in India. At the same time, we are very happy to announce today that we have a new representative company with Sharp-Edge in the north part of India, in the Delhi area and the NCR.